Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So now we are going to see in operator in the SQL tutorial series. Okay, what is the use of in operator in SQL? It's used to filter the records if any one condition is true in the where class. So and also it's a short form of multiple OR operators. So what is the OR operator? So it's basically we can if any one condition is true we will pick that records, right? It's going to do the same work in this in operator as well. So I will show you what is the or operator, right? So what is the use of or operator first? So okay, let me run this query. We will get that employee records in the output. So now if you want to see where the employee ID is 101, 102 and 103. So just write that syntax employee ID where employee ID is 101 or employee ID equal to 102. So first you will type employee ID equal to 101 or employee ID 102. So that is the syntax. Okay, let me correct the column name or employee ID 103. So for example, if you want to filter those three records, you have to type three times as employee ID equal to 101, 102, 103. So with our condition, if our condition is if any one condition is true, we will pick that record. So if you run this query, we will get the result. However, we are repeating the column name again and again to filter the records, right? To read efficiently and also to sort this or condition. So we can use instead of or condition, if you don't need to specify multiple times, you just specify one time as employee ID and in, and you open this bracket and then close the bracket. Inside the bracket you need to specify the values. So just 101 employee ID, 102 employee ID, 103 employee ID. Just type all those employee IDs. So and just run that query, you will get the same result. Now if you want to get another 104 record. Now you just add another 104 and just type run the query. So you will get that result. Basically, it's a short form of OR operator. So yeah, today's challenge is, let's go to today's challenge. Go to the tables. Let's take the salaries table. So filter the records of salary ID 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just write that in the comment box in your query, and please let me know if you have any queries. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like like and share it with your friends. Yeah, thank you.